What is their personal core values that on a daily basis, when they're making the bigger decisions, they have their list and they have a binary yes or no before the emotions kick in. One of the things that I love doing with my couples that I've been actually borrowing from my entrepreneurship journey on that side of that I'm weaving back in is the idea of values-based decision making and core values, and that you have to see yourself as a brand. And if you do a joint venture with someone else, you have to decide what the brand is now going to look like, because it can't
Yeah.
be relationships are not a corporate merger. They're a
Yeah.
right. It's kind of like when Zico coconut water was bought out by Coca-Cola. Like, how does that represent their brand? And now of all the brands that they're dumping that they just announced, Zico is one of those brands that they're dumping, because, like, right, it's, you don't think of like healthy coconut water and Coca-Cola as a thing. So the core
No,
values
you
have to
don't.
be there, right? So
Yeah.
I have my clients do this, especially for couple. Every single client, I have them do this within the first 2 to 3 sessions as homework to get this clear. Is what is their personal core values that on a daily basis, when they're making the bigger decisions, they have their list and they have a binary yes or no before the emotions kick in.